Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to actually get rich fast in Monopoly Go, so you can roll more dice, unlock properties, and stay ahead of your friends, without waiting forever for coins to refill. First off, complete daily goals every day. These give huge coin rewards and often include free dice or property upgrades. Don't miss out. Next, spin the gift wheel as often as you can. It gives coins, dice, and sometimes even bonus multipliers or free property cards. Here's a pro tip. Join an active club and play with friends. You'll get daily bonuses, extra dice, and event rewards just for playing together. Don't miss out on limited time events. Many of them offer double coin drops or special challenges that reward big payouts for simple tasks. Also, watch rewarded ads whenever possible. They give instant coins or dice with no wait time. Perfect when you're trying to keep the game going. So should you feel stuck with low cash? Not anymore. Just follow these tips, play smart, and keep building like a true real estate mogul. Let me know in the comments what level you're on and which trick gave you the most coins. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.